So, who is he?
Just a new employee that I hired. He keeps questioning my judgment.
How come I get the feeling there was something else to it?
Like what?
Why don't you tell me?
Actor turned politician Desmond Elliot has become the hot topic online after a video surfaced showing his emotional reaction shortly after Mojisola Meranda resigned as Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly. Earlier, Premium Times reported that Ms. Meranda announced her resignation during a plenary session. Following her resignation, the impeached Speaker Mudashiru Obasa was reinstated to his former position. In a viral video, Mr. Elliot, who represents Surulere Constituency 1 in the Assembly, was emotional over Ms. Miranda's resignation. The actor attempted to deliver a farewell speech but was overcome with emotion and struggled to hold back tears. At a point in the viral video, he found it difficult to continue speaking and requested that another lawmaker takes the floor while he composed himself. Sheyi Lawal, an APC representative from Ikeja Constituency 1, was granted the permission to speak in place of Mr. Elliot. However, many netizens online have concluded that the actor turned politician is just putting on a show, as he has been an actor before.